student. Today we are going to study about producer equilibrium. So producer equilibrium in the second method, that is called MR and MC approach, but it is imperfect competition. My dear student, first you have to recall what is the imperfect condition, because without knowing imperfect condition, you cannot able to understand the graph. So imperfect condition means when the price is going to decrease. Price is going to be decrease. My dear student, when price is going to decrease, it is called imperfect competition, and you have to already understand that in the market chapter, that in the imperfect competition, firm is going to decide the price of the commodity. Okay, it means firm is price maker and not a price taker. So imperfect competition means price is going to decrease. The output is producing, whatever the output is producing, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 is output is producing, the price of output is going to decrease. 18, 16, 14, 12. It means the price is going to be decreased. So if the price is going to be decreased, I think marginal revenue also going to be decreased. Okay, so marginal revenue, whatever the marginal revenue, that also be going to decrease. The first marginal revenue is 20. Suppose that is you have you have to see that it is going to be decreased. My dear student, if the marginal revenue is going to be decreased, it means something is going to be changes in your, you just put it here, not 18, you just put it here 15. Okay, you put 15, 10 and 8. What do you observe? 3, okay, 5. It means it is going to be decreased. It is a decreasing form. So the first you have understand the meaning of imperfect competition. My dear student, in the imperfect competition, today I am going to teach producer equilibrium. What is the equilibrium position? Equilibrium position means stable position in which producer is satisfied. Producer is satisfied what the amount of output is producing and earning profit. Okay. So how to know the equilibrium position? So simply when MR and MC approach, you know that x-axis, y-axis, output, and here that is cost. Okay, you can use that. You can also write out cost. Okay, MR and MC. So, my dear student, you observe that if in the imperfect competition, marginal revenue is going to be decreased. Okay, this way. Okay, suppose I am going to take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. Okay, so this cost is going to be decreased. So if the cost is going to be decreased, suppose the maximum cost is what? This cost is going to be decreased. My dear, it is the marginal revenue curve. You observe that in the imperfect competition, marginal revenue curve is going to be formed. Why? Because the price is decreasing, or if the price is decreasing, marginal revenue is also decreasing. Simple. When the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8. If the output is increasing, the marginal revenue is also going to be decreased. For example, when you are taking the output is 10, your marginal revenue is 8 output. So come to the MC. My dear student, when the first condition is that MR is equal to MC. It is a very simple condition, my dear student. Suppose this is the MC curve. This is called equilibrium position. Equilibrium position means where the producer is satisfied. Okay, this position, suppose I am taking this position, suppose it is a 4. Okay, this position is going to be taking 4. Okay, at this position, when producer is producing 4 units of commodity, is satisfied. Okay, that is why it cut here, MR cut here at MC. It means MR is equal to MC. Okay, so my dear student, the second condition is that MC curve must be rising from this position. It is the first condition that MR or MC is equal, but it is second condition also we fulfill, that MC curve must be rising. From here MC curve is moving upward. So for the producer equilibrium in the imperfect competition, these two conditions should be fulfilled. The MR is equal to MC here is, and MC curve moves upward, that is called rising. So it is the part. Now I am telling about some other thing, that break even point. What is the break even point, my dear student? Break even point is the point where the producer is satisfied, is not producing extra units of goods. So in the perfect competition, you observe that AR is equal to price and MR. In the perfect competition, AR is equal to MR into price. So my dear student, do one thing, that I am going to show what is the break even point. Let's see here. This is the output. Okay, this is the cost where AR, MR and price. In the perfect competition, suppose it is the price of 10 rupees, whatever that is P. I am taking P here. Okay, the price remain constant. You know very well, in the perfect competition, price remain constant. Right? It is the reason that whatever the output is producing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever the output is producing, the price remains same. So that is why price is equal to AR and AR is also equal to MR. So what is I am going to show, as you know that simple maths, that when the cost price is 100 and selling price is 110, so it is the profit. Simple math. Okay, 10 rupees is profit. My dear student, here revenue, that is known as sale. Okay, and I am teaching that profit part. So my dear student, in simple example is that when the cost price 100 and 110, that the profit is 10. So where is the break even? Break even point is that when average cost, you remember that total cost, okay, total cost divided by whatever the quantity produced, that is called average cost. So average cost is just equal to the price AR MR, that is called break even point. Okay, that is called break even point. Okay, this is called break even point. My dear student, you have remembered that one point also, when situation is another, that when situation is another, you see Simple situation I am taking. The reverse situation is that in the perfect competition, here I am taking output, price, okay, AR, MR, okay, and MR. That is called average cost also. Okay. Whatever the price, and you can say that cost side. Yani on y-axis I am taking the cost, price, AR, MR, AC. Okay. So it is the perfect competition. The price remains same. You put the price remains same. You put the price remains same. Okay. P is equal to AR. Average revenue is equal to MR. Okay. It is the first. My dear student, the average variable cost. What is the average variable cost? Average variable cost means the variable cost, the input which you are using for producing goods. For example, labor, raw material. So it means the producer is only fulfill the cost price of variable cost. It means it is the situation of loss. Okay, situation of loss. So if the producer is only fulfilling the variable cost, okay, if the producer is fulfilling means he is only pay the variable cost of the production, it means producer is in the case of loss. So if the average variable cost curve touches the here, you have to say that producer is facing loss. In this situation, producer is going to close the business. So this position is called shutdown position. Why? Because he is unable to fulfill all the cost. All the cost. It means you can say that average cost. In this graph position, when you are going to up this position, this is called shutdown position. Shutdown position. Okay. Shutdown means close. Close the business. Why producer is going to close the business? Because he is facing the loss. Why is facing the loss? Whatever the amount collected with the selling of the goods, he is going to pay only the variable cost. Variable cost means whatever the labor charges, raw material, he is only paying, not getting the extra amount to earn the money. So why? Because the cost is more. Because the cost is more. You see here, where is the cost? Where is the cost? Where is the cost? You just see, where is the cost? Where is the cost? Cost is above the price. Cost is above the price. In the class 7th or 6th, you have learned that SP, that is selling price, cost price. If cost price is more, what do you observe? Loss. It is the also same situation, my dear student. The cost price is high above the marginal revenue, average revenue. It is the position of loss. So that is why the businessman or firm is going to close the business. So you learn this graph with the help of, and you understand this graph. Okay. So in this situation, why it is break-even point? Because break-even means whatever the average revenue is equal to the here average cost. Okay. It means you can say that firm is earning the profit whatever the cost incurred. Cost means total cost. Okay. But in this position, firm is unable to earn maximum profit. Okay. That is, you have very well understand. Suppose it is 10 rupees and the cost is 20 rupees here. So what is the meaning? Your cost charge on the firm is more than the whatever your revenue. Your revenue is only 10 and your cost is 20 rupees. So it is a case of loss. The businessman or any firm or an industry is going to shut down the business, close the business. So it is a situation of perfect competition, and the topic was that producer equilibrium. Okay, my dear student, I hope You understand this topic? Thank you.